My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Poaz. This Poaz is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. However, my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. All that can be opened easily without any complications. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Poaz ransomware may be very easily injected. This happens due to certain outdated anti-malware databases of security programs, so they may sometimes allow malware to be injected into the system. And very soon after users restart their computers, they suddenly realize that they cannot access their data anymore. The ransomware would encrypt files and append a special Poaz extension additionally to the file names. As a result, it's just impossible to use the files. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it. Then once it gets successfully installed, the program will be in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. So click on this start scan button. The program, most likely in your case, would first of all update its anti-malware database, so don't skip that very important step. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner would begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to detect this ransomware, to remove it, and to protect your files. But it doesn't decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to always get your data protected. You can always request for the free trial, and also please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.